How to turn off flashlight on iPhone. To turn off flashlight on your iPhone, you first need to drag down the notification bar from the upper left corner of your screen. Then, you need to find the flashlight icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you find it, tap on it to turn it off. You can access this feature from your lock screen as well. There is another way how you can control your flashlight. For that, you first need to drag the control center from the upper right corner of your screen. Then, you need to tap onto this flashlight icon over here to enable flash on your iPhone. You can access it very easily, and by long tap you can control the intensity of the flash. By following these simple steps, you not only can control the intensity of the flash but also enable and turn flashlight on your iPhone very easily. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.